Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're unpacking something that affects, well, almost every single one of us every single day. We are looking at the biological blueprint of digital addiction. So if you've ever wondered why you just can't seem to put your phone down, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down the actual science behind our daily digital habits, using our source material to show you what's really happening inside your head the second that screen lights up.
So tell me, have you ever felt this literal pull to check a phone notification? You know exactly the feeling I'm talking about. You're sitting there, maybe having dinner, maybe trying to get some work done, and suddenly, your device buzzes. You instantly feel this almost magnetic attraction to that pinging phone, right? It literally feels like a physical sensation just drawing your hand straight to the screen. It's an incredibly common feeling, and honestly, it serves as the perfect starting point for us to really understand our relationship with technology.
To really ground this abstract concept of digital distraction, let's set the scene for a second. Picture a student totally locked in, focusing intensely on their homework. They are completely in the zone. Then, out of nowhere, they're interrupted by a vibrating phone sitting on the desk. Just a simple, tiny buzz. But in that micro moment, that totally focused student feels this absolutely overwhelming urge to drop everything and check the screen. I mean, we've all been that student, haven't we? This everyday struggle is something we're all just incredibly familiar with.
Which brings us to Section 1, the myth of willpower.
And this brilliantly illustrates a crucial mental pivot we absolutely have to make. Our source material is crystal clear on this. That magnetic attraction you feel toward your phone notifications, it's driven by your brain chemistry rather than just a simple lack of self-discipline. Ignoring your phone is not some moral failing or a willpower issue. It's actually a designed biological reality.
Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. We're looking at the brain's reward system.
You know, it is honestly so comforting to realize this quote right here. It's not just you, it's your brain's chemistry. When you blindly reach for that buzzing device, you're actually responding to a fundamental neurological blueprint. There's a very specific system inside your brain that's explicitly designed to make you pay attention to rewards. So this compulsive urge, it isn't a glitch in your matrix. It's literally your brain functioning exactly as it was biologically programmed to do.
So, let's walk through the actual mechanics of this blueprint in action. Step 1 is the trigger. Your phone vibrates. Step 2 is the reward. Your brain instantly recognizes a potential reward is waiting for you, creating a sudden rush of neurological activity, which is very often a spike in dopamine. It's like a spark going off. And then Step 3 is sustained attention. That chemical reaction actively captures your focus. So the trigger activates your reward system, which then totally locks down your sustained attention.
All right, moving right along to Section 3, the digital hook. Now, what's really interesting about this concept of the digital hook is how it isolates exactly what's happening. It's defined as a chemical reaction within your internal reward system that makes it physically difficult to ignore incoming alerts during your daily tasks. Notice those words for a second, physically difficult. This proves that these triggers are biologically engineered to hold us captive. When you're just trying to get some work done and your phone goes off, you are quite literally fighting a chemical reaction that is hooking your attention.
To quickly summarize the mechanics of this modern struggle we're all dealing with, this whole process triggers a compulsive urge. It captures our sustained attention, and it drives this need for constant connectivity. And ultimately, it creates a real physical difficulty to disconnect. It's just a powerful reminder that this struggle with constant connectivity is an active, daily battle against our own deeply ingrained internal mechanisms.
So the crucial point we're left with is this final kind of provocative question. If our devices are literally designed to trigger our biology, are we truly equipped to fight the ping? Can sheer, raw discipline actually overcome a system that sparks a powerful chemical reaction in our brain every single time a screen lights up? It definitely forces us to acknowledge our biological limits, and I think it makes you look at your smartphone in a completely different light. I hope this leaves you fascinated and eager to observe and explore your very own digital habits. Keep asking questions, keep learning, and I'll catch you on the next Explainer.